Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix NVIDIA control panel scaling is grayed out. So as you can see here, if I go to adjust desktop and size and position, I cannot change the full screen or aspect ratio. I cannot do anything here. So what you can do here, if you want to enable this option, you just need to go to manage 3D settings, and then first option will be image scaling or image sharpening, something along these lines. And what you need to do here is turn off this option. Press OK and then hit apply, and then your monitor should be, as you can see here, grayed out. Hit yes here. Then you need to go to adjust desktop size and settings, adjust desktop size and position, and then as you can see, you can change it to whatever you like. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.